Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Sir, you just got to throw the right thing on him. Now, let's get this guy back in the water. This little guy back in the water. All right. Got another one. Got me a nice one, you guys. Look at that. Good gracious sakes. Oh, Lord have mercy. I'm scared to bring him out the water. Yeah, third one. Yeah. Woo! Good gracious sakes. Yeah. Wow. Wow, look at that. Wow.
Nice one right there, you guys. My goodness. Wow.
Back in the water. I ain't got no signal down here. Wow. So what? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm trying to get out of here! Woo! Yes, sir! Oh yeah! Good day, good day. Check it out, guys. Even out here in this high wind, just about right counts on the pond, still catching bass, guys.
Ripping lips, baby.
Ripping lips, my man. Getting back in the water. This is so much I got to get used to, man. That's something else I got to get used to.
You taking your Oh! Oh no! Oh no! I'm trying to get back over here. Oh no! I'm trying to get out of here. Woo! Yes, sir. Oh yeah! Good day. Boy, this is what I'm talking about right here. Alright, let's get this guy back in the water. I ain't got no signal down here. Oh! He got one. In my spot. So what? Oh no! Oh no! I'm trying to get back over here. Oh no! I'm trying to get out of here. Woo! Yes, sir. Oh yeah! Good day.